Unboxing time once again. I've received another parcel, this time from Lazada. It's a new deal called Choices, where you can select any 3 items for 99 pesos or more. The minimum price for each item ranges from 33 to 66 pesos or even 99 pesos and above. Let me tell you, this deal is a fantastic opportunity with a wide range of high-quality items to choose from. Now, let's dive into my order. I opted for an ESSAGER fast-charging cable for mobile phones. This incredible deal allows you to snag these cables for just 33 pesos each. Regardless of their length, I went with the 2-meter cable for both micro and Type-C. These cables are made from aluminum alloy and braided silk, ensuring durability. What's more, they come with LED light indicators that enhance their appearance. Moving on to my other order, I got an ORICO brand HDD enclosure. This one's really cool. It usually retails for 195 pesos, but with this deal, it's available for only 99 pesos. The HDD enclosure has a premium appearance and is designed for SATA HDDs. The package comes complete with a manual and SATA cable, making it a convenient solution for your extra HDD storage needs. Let's give it a try by installing my HDD Perfect Fit. Now, let's put these items to the test. And as you can see, they work flawlessly. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching.